Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we are going to take a tour of this 2024 WHALER 320 Vantage. So we'll start up here on the bow and notice how big this sun lounge is, to where even if here, 2 or 3 adults, if I lounge forward, another 2 adults as well. And here where my feet are, this sun pad, this can come up. So if you need to come to the bow more accessible or access your forward hatch there down below. Access to my windlass up here under the hatch, as well as a freshwater shower. Either cool off up here or rinse your windlass as it comes in. Let's step back towards the helm here. So here on the starboard side, open this up. This will be your designated bathroom. As well, there's a freshwater sink down there. Excellent fit and finish throughout. And here on the port side, where you open this up, this will be your cabin down below. Great place to get out of the sun for the day. And if you notice here on the top, it's black right here, a sunroof, tinted, but also gives you natural light down below. Here at the helm, notice your Mercury electronic controls, your joystick makes it easy for docking, as well as has Skyhook and your integrated autopilot, which ties in well with your 16-inch Simrad. Right now we have our chart and our bottom reading. Makes it easy to navigate and see where you're at. So you'll have here on the port side, your co-captain seat will raise up or down, as well as can spin, which would tie in here to make a rear lounge. And or I can lay these down or in 2 or 3 different positions to accommodate different seating for the day. Back over to starboard, you have your summer kitchen option. So you'll have your refrigerator, you have a grill out today at the island or the sandbar. As well, as we move to the cockpit, you have your live well here, also insulated, makes this a great cooler. On the dive door, makes it very easy getting in and out of the boat. Push this back up. And you also, on port and starboard sides, you have insulated fish boxes, macerated pump out, as well as have a plug in them, make it easier when you get up on the trailer on the wash rack to drain everything completely overboard. So, and then absolute favorite feature, the long days on the way in, sit here on the lounger. It's a comfortable seat in the back of the boat. It's big enough for 3 or 4 adults. Be comfortable. When you're ready to fish, fold it up. And now this acts as a rear coming bolster, bringing in the big fish of the day. Powered by twin 300 V8 Mercury engines. Boat efficiently cruises at 30 miles an hour, top end, low 40s. Come by and see the WHALER 320 Vantage today. Have a good one.